Alright guys, so we're going to unbox these wireless trailer lights. So as soon as you get them out of the box here, this is what the case looks like. And as you can see, they're cable free and they got 8 functions. They do reverse lights, reflector, number plate light, you know, just pretty much anything you would need some trailer lights for. And you can charge in about 1.5 hours and it will give you 12 hours of runtime. So as soon as you open the nice heavy duty case, first thing that you see is you got some foam in here to help hold everything in place. You got your booklet to help set everything up, and then you actually have the lights themselves. These right here are magnetic. Man, they really got a magnet on it. Okay. And it also has a suction cup feature, so when you magnetize it, and it's got this nice swivel action, and it's really on there, you really got to loosen everything before it'll come off, and that's even with the dirty truck, you know. You got your charging cable, you got your part that goes into your pin there. So we also got some extra hardware here if you wanted to mount them to something. It's got some base plates, and then there's some screws, self-tapping screws. And then it also comes with a USB plug so you could charge it on the go. And like I said earlier, it charges in 1.5 hours and it'll give you 12 hours of runtime. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and attach this. So we're going to plug this into our 7-pin adapter, make sure it's all the way plugged in, and that's it. Now we're going to pair to our, you just click this button right here and it'll pair to the lights. And let's go look at our camper trailer that we're going to put these on. All right, so each light tells you how much battery life it's got, whether it's on or off. There's the charging part for the light itself. And then also it tells you left and right. So there's an L right there on the right side of that little bar right there. And then the other one has right, obviously. And then this is where you charge it right there. And so let's put these on my camper trailer here. As you can see, my previous lights were a little worse for wear, so to speak. They no longer work, needless to say. So we're going to put this is the right one. We're going to stick these right here. There we go. And notice how it has this light going to the inside. So if I had a license plate right here, it would do that. It light it up as well. And to connect these, all you have to do is hit the power button, and then it will automatically connect to the receiver in the vehicle. And so now I'm going to set this right here. And again, it swivels, right? However you need to do it. And, you know, because you could also angle these whichever kind of way you needed to. So I'm going to leave it like that. So I'm going to go turn my left blinker, right blinker, do my brakes and all that stuff real quick. Here's my left blinker. Right blinker. Brake. Brake with the left blinker. Brake with the right blinker. Reverse. Finally, hazards. And here's with it off. Alright, lastly, even if the vehicle, let's say you're towing a vehicle and it doesn't have any hazards, you can click a button, it shows the hazards. You can also, in a pinch, use it as a light as well. Alright, you can just sit there, use it. But I thought it was really cool that it had a flasher setting. It also keeps the light on as well. And then you can just turn it off. And like I said, this box is really nice and sturdy. Got a good weight to it. So I just went through all the settings for these lights, the hazard lights I just shown here. And then while it was on the trailer, I showed the left, the right blinkers, the reverse, the hit the brakes while my lights were on, as if they were at night. And then I also turned them off into where it was, if I'm towing during the daylight, you know, they wouldn't normally be on unless I hit my brakes or hit my turn signals or something like that. And I showed that as well. And so it also had a light to light up the license plate, or you can keep that on or off. But I would highly recommend this thing. It was awesome. Good pack. There it is again. Thanks, guys.